Okay, so I love Photoshop. I was able to just clean up this whole bit here. I recommend the clone stamp. This is, yeah. So this had to be scanned in 2 pieces, and it was too big for the scanner. And the scanner leaves these lines. I'm not sure why it does that actually. I give it a wee crop, and then just look at all these clone stamps. And that's what it ends up looking like. I mean, how handy is that? All the thanks goes to Alex, of course, that funny one, for showing me how to. It's not exactly something that's easy enough to work out yourself. Mind, I assume there's probably YouTube tutorials, like. Certainly helps with a Wacom tablet too, doing this with a mouse. I mean, it can be done, I've done it, but it's no easy. Like, look how nicely that cleans that all up. Like that. That means that pictures can look just a wee bit better. I mean, they're never going to be absolutely brilliant for the hand scanner because you always get these wee blurry bits that there doesn't seem to be anything I can do about that. It doesn't matter how slow I put it across the page or anything. Yeah, it doesn't seem very happy to oblige. This looks a wee bit dark. There we go. So that's not bad, is it? I think that'll lightly do for the site, maybe. I don't know what kind of quality the upload is. It seems to be alright. So just give this an extra crop. And we'll shorten this a wee bit, shall we? Just because of the wee couple of blurry bits. There you go. That's not bad. Save. Yes, please. I don't know how to flatten a thing, so I had to save it originally and then open it again to mess with it once I put the 2 pieces together. So here's a wee, I don't know, example of what I have to do to every single picture just to make this post look, you know, better for folk. Because it's nice to have good images of what the chapter is actually talking about, isn't it? Like, oh, there we go.